Hey dude, thanks a lot for helping, but it doesn't seem to be working, so I've got the Amiga set up right here, with behind it in the, there in the serial port I've got a DB25 to DB9 converter, and then a cable that goes from DB9 to USB into my PC. Then here in Device Manager I've got the USB serial on COM3. So when I start up Passy, there we go, I put on serial, change this to COM3, open, and turn the Amiga on, it'll do the flashy light thing. And nothing's turning up on the terminal. So, flashing slower now than it was before, but still not displaying anything.